Hi, I'm Leyla, and today we're here at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Join me as I show you around this hotel that's perfect for kids and a great deal for adults. Smooth. So the next time you check in, you can check it out. Guests will be transported back to the 50s and 60s. This entire hotel is filled with little touches of nostalgia. And then there are the big touches. Like this amazing pool with a water slide and cabanas available for rent. There's even a poolside resort bar and grill called the Atomic Tonic. The Atomic Tonic features sandwiches, wraps, kebabs, and so much more. There's even a full bar. But there is more fun and food to be had at the second pool. That's right, I said a second pool. As you can see, Cabana Bay is perfect for families. It's the only hotel here at Universal Orlando with a lazy river. Another perk, the Hideaway Bar and Grill. It's got a full bar and a simple but delicious grill menu that has a ton of kid-friendly options. Oh, and check this out! A dedicated walking path right to Universal's Volcano Bay. That means if you're heading to this water theme park, you don't need to take a shuttle. You don't even need to take that many steps. And then there's Galaxy Bowl, a 10-lane bowling alley smack dab in the middle of the hotel. It also has a full-service restaurant, making this a perfect one-stop family night, date night, or bowl by yourself while filming a travel show night. Have I convinced you this hotel is a major bang for your buck? I'm sure you're anxious to see a room, but let me just bowl a strike real fast. Nobody saw that, right? Let's just move on. So Cabana Bay Beach Resort has terrific room options for every size party and budget. Check out this family suite and this awesome pool view. Talk about the best of both worlds, right? Now, this is the iconic 2-bedroom suite with volcano view. This spacious suite has plenty of room and a view that will take your breath away. Ooh, pizza! Cabana Bay Beach Resort also offers pizza delivered right to your room. Though don't be fooled, when it comes to dining at this hotel, pizza is just the beginning. Bayliner Diner is one of many different dining options here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. It also happens to be my favorite. There's practically something here for everyone. And by everyone, I mean people who enjoy choosing from several different stations of delicious food. Another perk of Cabana Bay Beach Resort, a complimentary shuttle bus that takes you right to Universal's Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. Plus, these shuttles also come in handy if you want to take advantage of early park admission to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Okay, let's recap. Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort has 2 pools, a water slide, poolside cabanas available for rent, the only lazy river and bowling alley at a Universal Orlando hotel, multiple different dining options, a dedicated walking path to Volcano Bay, and so much more. Go ahead and comment below which Universal Orlando hotel you'd like to see next. And while you're at it, like and subscribe. Oh man, I look so cute in that! I'm gonna miss this dress.